What's up, guys? Back in the shop with the Honda today. As you saw in the last video, I did get it running, so that's awesome. Just got to button up a few things now, just get coolant in it, get the spark plug wire cover back on, cold air intake. Probably go ahead and slap the hood on it, and we're going to try to get it outside and give it a bath. Probably take it a quick rip up the street and make sure everything's doing all right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. Please subscribe and drop us a like or a comment, and stick around and see what we got going on with this thing.
Never thought I'd see that. The front is tucked. Like, that was like the first car I ever like really liked when I was younger. And I thought it was loud then. And then now I've been around so many loud cars, it's like
Bitching street legal? No?
talk to him.
Talk to him. Well, maiden voyage was successful. Took it up the road and back. Seems to be running good, shifting good. Everything seems to be in order. It's definitely a little more harsh. You can feel the vibrations more. I'm assuming that's a combination of the header and then those solid mounts that I put in it. But yeah, it's definitely running good, driving good. So we're gonna get the hood thrown on it, get it cleaned up, and we'll be ready to take it for a little longer drive. Alright guys, we got her all finished up. We ran into town, actually took it to the car wash. I forgot to take the GoPro with me, but it ran good, drove good, everything seemed good. Getting some nice color on the cheap eBay manifold there. We got her cleaned up a little bit. So I still got to get the interior cleaned up and probably put some tires on it, get the bumper back on. Have to do something with those janky headlights. Those are terrible. But anyway, she's mostly all back together. At least I was able to drive it. So that's a good thing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.